How to fix self-protection failed or error code 4. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick tip for you to be able to fix this kind of issue. Now the very first thing that you want to do is to go into your Windows search, and then from here, what you want to type in is just firewall. Now from firewall, what you need to choose is Windows Defender Firewall, and you'll receive this window right here. Now on your left side, just choose on Advanced Settings, and then from here, choose on Inbound Rules, and then choose on New Rule. Now from here, choose on Program and hit on Next, and then choose on this program path, and then click on Browse, and this is where you need to locate the main file of your game. So for example, now hit on Next, and then choose on Block the connection, hit on Next, and make sure that you will tick these three boxes right here from domain, private, and public. Hit on Next, just follow on-screen prompts to finish this setup, and then say to restart your PC and relaunch the game once again. And that is how you fix self-protection failed or error code 4.